My name's Tim Harris and I'm the Visitor Experience Manager here at Killerton. So I came from a site that had been using radios extensively, and having built up a supply of radios there for everybody to use, to me, I was already sold on the idea. I arrived here, they had a few old handsets and told me that that they tried it before and it didn't really work for them. I didn't believe this to be the case, so I bought some new handsets, used it with the old system, and tried it and proved the need, really. Previously, we had some old ICOM handsets and an old base station unit. It turns out the base station wasn't really working, the aerial wasn't working. PCE came along and helped us work that, and they used the old system along with some new handsets to kind of prove the need. And then once the need was there, we went on and did that. We repaired the old system. They came along, serviced the handsets, serviced the base unit and repaired the aerial to make the system work. And then once we'd proven the need for a new radio system, we moved over to a digital repeater, a new aerial on the roof, and we've now got nearly 30 handsets. We're currently using the High-Terra PD505 radios, which are great. We love them. They're small, but they do what we want them to do. It's made huge differences across the property in the way that we talk to each other and that we communicate. Being able to communicate across the wider estate is really useful, and also people can butt into conversations. So if somebody's having a conversation that you've got a bit of information from, you can have that conversation. Whereas previously we were very reliant on telephones and mobile phones, but only two people were aware of that. Whereas now people hear that there's a problem and people will offer to help. For instance, if we've got an ambulance coming on site, people will go, I'm down the bottom, I'll go and wait for it on the road, and people, go, do you need a hand? First aid shouts, people know what's going on, people help. I think it really has helped us provide better customer services. For instance, last weekend we had some children get lost. The children were in one location and the parents were in another location, but with staff, with radios in the chapel, in reception and in the house, we were quickly able to reunite them. PCE were great to work with. They came in, they understood what we wanted, and helped us prove the need, and they've been really supportive ever since. We've even had problems where we've had big events on, 10,000 people for our apple and cider weekend, and the base station gave up on the Saturday afternoon, but by 9 o'clock Sunday morning PCE were on site putting one of the highest stock in just to get us back up and running and ensure that the event could go ahead. PCE came to us as a recommendation from another National Trust property, and I know of at least 2 other sites who've already asked their details, and I know one of them's already got radio supplied through PCE, so we're more than happy to recommend them.